am wearing some fleece leggings. I don't even know what day it is. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming in. And I am technically based in San Diego, but today we're in Chicago. I'm here for a week. I just got in. I left my house around 4:30 a.m. so I'm a little tired. It's like about, oh my god, my watch is behind. So it's about 4:30 right now. I have to start getting ready. So I don't have much time to yap with you. I will do a room tour. I'm staying at the Thompson in Chicago, and I am going to Bar Tutto tonight for dinner, and I'm really excited because I'm starving. The flight and everything was super smooth, just in kind of like a standard room. It looks great, and let's just get ready. Let's just jump into it. I'll talk to you later. Before I change for dinner, I wanted to show you my outfit of the day of what I wore to the airport for my travel day. So on top, I'm just wearing a Staud knit sweater. I've had it, I think I got it last year. I actually got it on sale, and it is cozy, it's warm. I do have a layer underneath. It's just an Abercrombie long sleeve top that's cropped. And then my pants are the LilySilk silk pants. They're in the avocado flavor. They're a little wrinkly right now because I was just sitting for 4 hours, but they're so comfortable and surprisingly warm because they insulate. And then my shoes, I'm just wearing my Vivaia conservation animal print shoes just for pop of fun. I wore the vintage coat that my mom gave me. I'm so glad I brought this. It's vintage. It's from Perry Ellis, and you'll be seeing it more. But I just want to show you my outfit of the day. Sorry, I came in like a bat out of hell into this trip. I arrived, I had to get ready so quick for my dinner. Flight landed around 2:30, but we were taxiing for a long time, so I didn't actually get to my hotel until 4, and I had dinner at 5. It was about a 15-minute drive, so I needed to get ready so quick, and I don't think I got to talk to you really. So I just got back from dinner. I did not really vlog that dinner. I took some pictures. Bar Tutto in Chicago, delicious, absolutely phenomenal. We had this mussel crostini that was buttery, delicious. If you're a foodie, I highly recommend it. I'm just gonna get ready for bed now. I have a day tomorrow with my best friend, and we're gonna go to Ralph Lauren. It is obviously somewhere you can go shop, but they do have a restaurant there, and apparently it's supposed to be beautiful and the food's gonna be really good. We're gonna do a little shopping day, and then I do have to come back here and work. So that's when kind of my whole work trip starts. So I'll do some work, and then I go out to dinner again with my whole team. I wanted to just kind of show you what I am wearing because I feel like I haven't really done any of that. So I apologize. Put you back a little further so you can see. And I'm sorry, the lighting is not very good in here. It's dark, it's nighttime. So the jacket that I'm wearing is from Sézane. It is the Leo coat, and it is perfect for this weather because it is wool, but not like a scratchy, itchy one, but it buttons all the way up. What I really like about it is how it buttons all the way up to the top. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you can actually button it right here. So, and now it's like a turtleneck. So you don't have to even have a scarf. And then underneath that, because it is Did I mention it was negative? I think it was like 6 degrees when I landed, but it's definitely like negative degrees out right now. Felt like negative 17 or something crazy like that. So it is cold outside. It's cold enough where you walk out and it like hurts to breathe. Underneath, this is my Abercrombie sweater. I love it because of the detail it has, like that ribbon. And then there's like a little tie at the bottom. I just like, it's so comfy, but it's also really, really soft. Underneath it, a favorite daughter, it's their Amelia knit. And it's a turtleneck. They have it in a couple different colors. I have it in kind of like a crop sleeve in gray, and I love it. So I ordered it in the long sleeve in the cream because I love layering it under my sweaters, even just under blazers. It's a really, I guess, like capsule piece. Like it goes with so much. So I invested in it and I do not regret it. And then underneath, my pants are from Sézane. I'll link them down below, but they're a cream color trouser. I love them because they're cuffed on the bottom, so it gives it that little detail. And there's definitely the pleating. The pleating I love. I love a good pleat. I do have white trousers without the pleating, but I think there's something to a pleat that just elevates the outfit. And then my shoes are the Axel Suzon boots. They're in a burgundy color, and I swear they go with everything. Like they are neutral. They're so cute. And then the bag I had, Sézane Farrow bag. If you didn't see what I packed for Chicago, you will see all these there and how I packed them. So we're just putting it all together. So I use this as a crossbody. And I did wear some gloves. I just got some gloves I believe these are probably just from Amazon. So I have these kind of like faux leather gloves to the Uber, from the Uber. I was super comfortable. This was really nice inside. I wasn't too hot. I think right now I'm going to just like get ready for bed. About 8:30 right now. I'm usually an 8 p.m. to bed kind of girl, but I am 2 hours ahead. So it's about 6:30 p.m. right now. But I am quite tired. I'll probably just see you tomorrow. Happy Tuesday. I just got ready. I did not work out this morning, and if you watched my back with me, I was so like, I'm gonna do it, but I did not sleep well last night. You can probably hear it in my voice. I was up and at 'em, like I wasn't feeling my best. So I took an extra couple hours to sleep, and I feel really good, and I'm really glad that I did that. We'll try again tomorrow. But I wanted to do a quick outfit of the day. I'm going to brunch with my bestie. We are going to Ralph Lauren in Chicago. I think I mentioned that last night. But so I decided to wear my Sézane jacket. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And it is my favorite. I talked about it in my pack with me. I'm so glad I bought this. The detail on it with like the neckline just makes it so chic. I wear it all the time. Anyways, I threw that over a turtleneck, just a black one. I believe this one's from Lululemon. I got it pretty recently. And then the jeans I'm wearing, wide leg Sézane jeans. I love these. I do buy these true to size. They can run small. I know the Le Crop I have to size up. These ones I don't. They are pretty tight around this section, but I like that because then I don't have any sort of gap in the back, which is really nice. It really snashes. I am wearing some fleece leggings underneath to keep myself warm, and they do that. I wore them last night, and man, I was like, oh, great. We love that. Also, the jacket, I'm pretty sure I sized up. I think I sized up to a medium instead of a small. Yeah, it looks like I did size up on this one. So I typically size up on the jackets and the sweaters at Sézane because I know they're a little bit more form-fitting. I blow dry my hair with my Shark. I think I have a good one more day with it being down. I'm really happy about that. All right. Yeah, so that's about it. My room's a mess. Apologize. Oh, I gotta show you all my layers, obviously. I brought my mom's vintage Perry Ellis jacket. I think she had this in the 80s, and it is awesome. I love how oversized and thick she is. I wore it last night. It kept me super warm. It goes with a lot too, because it's very just neutral black and white. So I can toss it over here, scarf, and obviously little mittens. We're gonna go eat lunch. I think we're gonna go try and shop a little bit. And yeah, I'm excited to see her. And I'll take you along with us. Yeah. Hello? God, it's Wednesday. I can't believe I have 2 more days here. Oh, 3, I guess. I leave Friday. I wanted to show you my outfit really quick. Today is simply a work day. I am going to be in meetings all day, so you probably won't see too much. Top layer is the Leo coat from Sézane. So you don't have to wear it like this. You can obviously unbutton it and you can leave it open like that. I went with just a simple black cotton turtleneck from Everlane. It is my favorite. It's so cozy. I don't know how much I'm going to be outside today, so I don't even know if I'm going to need the coat because we're doing meetings here at the hotel. It's just the Everlane. I love the neckline. It's not a rolled neck. My earrings are Dior. These were definitely a splurge birthday present to myself. I wanted to throw in a little headband so I can cover my ears a little bit. This is I washed my hair on Sunday, so day 3, day 4, I swear, like the shark, I just got a shark. It is insane. I love it. And then I'm just wearing my slacks again. These are the Sézane. I'll link everything below, obviously, but I love the pleating. And then I just did my little Axel boots for a burgundy pop color that I'm going to be carrying today because I have a lot that I need to carry. My laptop, my water bottle, my notebooks. It's just the base tote because clearly if you watched my pack with me, the Sézane tote that I got for myself for my promotion did not come in, but that's okay. I'm excited to come home to it. And that's it, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, I don't even know what day it is. It's Thursday, I believe. Yesterday, I'm so sorry. I mean, it was just pretty much a work day all day, so not a lot to show you. I did go to dinner last night. I did some B-rolls around there, so dinner was great. We had a little private room downstairs, and it was kind of just like tray pass. We all just kind of hung out. It was very much a cocktail style environment and had a great time. I left around probably 9 and I was in bed by 10. I was so exhausted. You can probably hear it in my voice. I am tie. It is my last day here, and I have work meetings all day, so it's going to look a little similar to yesterday. So I'm probably just going to close this out here because my flight is super early in the morning and the rest of the video will be B-roll. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog, and it's been a life-changing week for me, and I'm really happy where everything is going. and it's really cool to document this. So if you liked this video, please let me know it either in the comments, just throw a like on this. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. My next video will be something along the lines of what I wore. I'll be back in San Diego. So I'll see you then, guys. Bye.